baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves.
That's so crooked. I don't care. I am not a morning person, if you cannot tell. I look like a boy. But anyways, does anybody else do this where they get up and immediately grab a blanket because it's just too cold? Because I know I do. Okay, hang on. I gotta go downstairs. It's way too early in the morning for this. Oh. Ew. Also, oh my god, I look like I've been crying. I promise I haven't. Okay, hang on. I have too many things in my hand.
Let me put a shirt on so that you don't have to watch me in a blanket anymore. Hee hee.
I have clothes. Makeup time. I hate this part. I had something to say, but I don't remember what it was. So I don't ever have a brain in the morning. I just don't have one. I never really have a brain until coffee has fully processed through my body, and that doesn't happen for a while. So just wait a second.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and boozy, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got letters and 100 rounds too. It's bad and boozy, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got letters and 100 rounds too. So we'll
I won't lie to you. I know he's just not right for you. And you can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop.
Now I'm singing like you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. Say boy, let's not talk too much. Back on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead.
Okay, I need to leave it like now. Okay, what I need to do now, I'm gonna make a checklist for myself. I need to pack clothes for cheer. I need to go eat. I need to put shoes on. I need to put my watch on. Put a hair tie on. Tail tie.
I need to make my bed so bad, but I don't have time.
I need to do my hair too. Well, I don't really do anything to it. I just take it down. That's literally it. There you go. There's my hair routine. Awesome. Outfit picture, teeth, food. Go. Awesome. Sauce. Yes. Okay, let's go take our outfit picture. Good enough.
And every time I go out, yeah, hear it from this one, hear it from that one, let's get someone new.
If you know about me and choose to stay, then take this pleasure,
Good morning.
take it with the pain.
Goodbye. Oh, I just about sat on the muffin. Oh, okay. I almost sat on my muffin. That would have been so sad. Okay. Hang on. Oh, I didn't even tell you what this vlog was. It was a like morning routine kind of thing. Okay, so hey. Oh. Have a good day at school.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thumbnail.
Have a good day at school, all you children out there.
Yes.
Have a good day at school. We're gonna find a place to hide my camera in my car.
Or just hand it to me and I could vlog my day.
Oh my god. What if you did?
Can I?
Yeah, you actually can.
Real
Just
talk?
don't lose my camera.
I won't lose it. Real talk? Yo, this is happening.
Okay, we might do a video where my friend takes my camera and vlogs for the entire day. Okay, see you, goodbye, thank you. Okay, I don't know why I said my friend. I could have just said Mia. I don't know why I, like, called her by, like, a label, not her name. Okay, I'm sorry. Love you, Mia.
I'm so
Oh my god,
hyped.
stop. If you lose my camera, or
I
if,
won't.
or if you,
Like,
like,
I'm not a forgetful person, so
no, like, if you lose my camera or it breaks or someone
No, I
steals it, like,
swear that will not
I will kill you. Like, I'm not kidding. Whenever we go to your house on Friday, I will kill you.
Okay. No, I'm actually not gonna lose it. We got this.
Okay.
I'm a good person.
If she loses it and somebody finds
We're
it,
gonna,
I'm going to kill her.
just know that I won't be here anymore.
Yeah, she just won't be here,
So-
and I'll be in jail, so... I'm nervous. I'm so scared. Like,
Don't be,
We're
like-
at... No, it's not... Like, I don't care. It's just that we're at school. Okay, we need to lay ground rules. Hang on.
Okay, on
There's some-
camera, so
there's some
proof.
things that you can and can't do. Okay, you can't tell them where we go to school.
Okay.
Make sure nobody tells them where we go to school.
Okay.
Make sure nothing that you, like, show has, like, the name of our school on it.
Okay.
Don't show your lanyard.
Okay. I'll keep it covered. I'll
yeah.
put nice little duct tape on it.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing, oh, this is
That's my
Sarah's
shirt. I was like, wait, I have that shirt.
I washed it and I was like, I need a new shirt to wear, so
That's my shirt. Okay, well, it has 2 names on it, so it's okay.
Yeah.
And I don't think people can really read
And
that.
it's a sports team, both are sports
Yeah,
teams.
so that's okay. I'll probably come visit you during lunch to make sure you're not killing my camera and that it's not dead and that it's still there. And it's 8:11. We need to go.
Okay,
oh my
bye.
god. Okay. I was gonna say, I'm sorry for the plastic straw. I know you're all gonna be like, yeah, plastic straw.
Okay.
That was funny. He just said, have a good day at Sarah's school. And then she